Yeah, we have an old stone-built cottage in Wales, in South Wales, and it's 200 to 300 years old, and it's always had a rising damp problem. Those sort of buildings just never had damp courses, so every year you need just to redecorate the bottom few feet of your building, and you accept that. We had a copper damp course put in, which didn't work very well, and after that, each year you just scrape off any loose plaster and you redecorate every year. We were visiting an exhibition at Sandown Park in Esher, and we came across the company, and it looked very interesting because there was this Sputnik-like device hanging there that we asked what it was all about, and it was just interesting, so we followed it up. We followed it up via customers. We were kindly given a list of customers who I contacted to find out if this device really did reduce the rising damp, and we got some very positive answers. Obviously, talking to your customers, it does work, and since we've had ours installed, we have proven also that it does work. It's a holiday home and we're not there all the time. We go every few weeks, and when you open the door, normally there's always that little bit of a damp smell or a damp feel, and within the first few months of your device going in, it was obvious that something was happening, that we weren't getting that same sort of smell and feel about the house. And certainly now we're what, nearly 2 years on, and the house feels much drier. You just feel it. You know, when you've been used to walking into a house with rising damp, you know.
And the interesting thing is that because it's not connected to the electricity, and when we're not there the electricity is turned off, it's working all the time, not just when we're there. So, you know, that's a big bonus.
It is a big bonus, yes, because our insurance won't allow us to have the electricity turned on when we're not there.
People just don't believe that something like a Sputnik will have that effect. And the sad thing is that, especially in South Wales where we are, there are thousands of stone-built houses that all have damp problems, and they don't know or understand about how it actually does work. You know, that's enough of this, isn't it?
Mm.
You know, but we've got neighbours that we've tried to explain it to, and like us, you know, you're sceptical because you don't understand it, and you're always wary of something you don't understand.
Yeah, I think the potential is phenomenal, really, for this device, as Barbara said, in the sort of stone buildings.
You know, there's hundreds of old churches up in the hills that, you know, are rotting for the sake of being damp.
But then you'd need an army of guys to go in and do all the work.
And the group that you've got are fantastic, so, you know, you just need good people.
Don't get too big, just stay manageable. That would be my advice.
No, it is good. No, it's made a big difference.
Lovely company to have dealt with. Thank you.